Good evening, YouTube friends and fans. This is my garage, and this is the problem we're going to solve tonight. And this is why I have to walk this little hallway to the main garage. And if I don't have lights on or we pull the cars in, it's dark. So we're going to install a light with a motion sensor on it up here in the ceiling. KZ Creations thanks you for watching. Please press the red subscribe button for more featured videos in the future. Now on with the show. I could install a night light here or something with a switch where it would come in, but the key to this is this garage door here I like to keep shut because this makes the old workshop nice and able to be warmed up. The tools are, and then we'll start in on the project. You got a 360 light controller. It's got 360 sensor on it. Of course, that will go into the light base. We got the drill that's going to cut my hole for this outlet box. Got another 2 screwdrivers for whatever. I'll show you what my box here is for. That's pretty creative little dust catcher. Wire. Hammer obviously to pound the box in. And got my light tester here and strippers. Wire nuts if I need it. That should be everything. And of course we've already got the ladder out. And we'll pull the wire off of this garage door opener right there. And run it up and over. We'll bring it back down there. Power's off already. And the reason I know that is the little light here for the garage is out. So, let's get to it. So before we drill our box in the ceiling, we're going to punch a hole in it. Like so. We're going to take our hole saw, put it in through the hole, now we got a dust catcher. Now I can see the nail holes from where the stud was put up. So that tells me everything I need to know. Now you can see how much dust we caught, and we didn't really drop anything on the ground. Hopefully the box will fit perfectly. I was really hoping I could slide that up through the hole, but I don't see it happening. And again, maybe I was wrong. Brain's running 100 miles a minute trying to record for you guys and do this correctly. Well, didn't bring the wire strippers. Shoot. Yeah, if you remember, get all your tools at once, you can save a lot of time. Alright, so if you don't know, there are gold or brass colored screws. Go to the black, silver to the white, so your light to the light, the dark to the dark. We'll get the ground screw put in when I come back and attach the rest of this. Alright, let's pull the fixture over here and then we'll go to the garage. Always test power. This would work. That's the sound it makes if there's actual electricity. It only works because of friction on your arm. It creates a little static electricity. Sad but scary story. I should say funny but scary story. Last time I was in this box, it looked like somebody was welding from up here. When I installed this garage out here, I wired it up and I thought I had this not plugged into the panel yet. I stripped 2 wires and I caught the other pair and it drizzled and it looked like someone was welding. I mean, I'm standing on this ladder the whole 9 yards. I'm telling you what, probably the only thing that saved me is the fact that this got rubber feet on it and this has got a rubber handle on my tool. Because I'll show you the tool that it burned a hole in. I still have it. So, gotta bring the wire across, drop her down. Next up, the attic. Hopefully you can see this pair of pliers here. See the hole right up here? That's not supposed to be there, guys. Yeah, you can see how big of a hole I burnt. It wasn't pretty that day. Scared me quite a bit. Alright, let's get up into the attic. Here's the rafters of the garage where I'll be working in. So I gotta go back in here, crawl all the way up in. So let's make it happen. Kind of precarious. Not exactly the most amount of fun you would have in a day. But I did lay a board in here, so that'll let you climb your big fat self through here. I'll set you guys down. You can watch from there, hopefully. Left my hammer behind. That sucked. The old board stops right here. Here's the wire we shoved up. Not sure exactly where it's at. We shall find it. I think it's right there. That's a magical find. Time to track our way out of here. I'll get the old hammer. Make sure we get everything else. Head down the steps. All right, let's head back in, and we should be able to finish wiring in electricity over here. Looks like my pre-measurement math was pretty good. Well, the dust from the attic finally got to me. So I'm going to trim the wire to length. I'm going to remove the shield from the wire. We're going to strip the insulation off the tips of the wires so that we can connect these all together. Also, I'm going to remove all the wires off the outlet, and I'm going to twist together the grounds to make just one ground wire coming down. Same thing we're going to do with the hot and neutral. I'm going to put a wire nut on all of them together with one pigtail coming out of the ceiling. As you can see in the ceiling there, they're all one length. Once they're wire nutted up, pigtail will be ready to rock and roll right down to the outlet. It's already pre-attached. Once everything's ready to go, we're obviously going to shove the wire back up into the outlet cavity, and we are going to reattach the outlet to the box. Put some tools away and finish the project up. Looks like everything's lit back up. We have power. Now I just gotta wait for the motion part. See how well that works. Well, you saw that it worked. It's on. Let's see how it works when we step into the garage. Hey, that works pretty good. So there you have it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Catch you on the next video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you later.